Alright fellas, today we're gonna make a Che X Prettifun type beat, some kind of in that lane. So let's get right into it. So for these beats, I recommend a BPM around like 140 to 150. Let's do 148. For these kind of beats, I recommend using Hive or Serum. Just anything with those like really crispy and kind of like distorted sounds. Hive is perfect for that. Let's use this dirty chords. For our scale, let's do F minor. So for our chords, I'm gonna start on a root note here, which is F. And I'm gonna count up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna count 8 up, and I'm gonna get rid of these, and I'm gonna lay down these little bass notes here. So I'm gonna try something like this for our progression. And this method of counting 8 notes up from your root note, and then 1 down, and then back to the root will work in any minor scale. So just give it a try, keep it in mind, you know what I mean? It'll always work. Just a good cheat code for getting your chords started. And of course, after you can swap them around, move them around, whatever, but it's a good guideline. And I'm just gonna make like, what is this, a major chord? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna make a couple simple chords here. Ooh. Pitch this one up, do an inversion. Control B. So these are our final chords right here. I might swap them around after, but for right now, this is cool. I like this. It's a little bit, it's super distorted. I was gonna say it's a little bit distorted, but it's super distorted. But we're gonna work around it, see how it goes from here. Now I'm just gonna clone up the Hive and get an ARP. Get some sort of ARP to layer our chords with. And this is the reason why I really like Hive is if you notice, whenever you use ARPs in say Serum or Xenology, most of the time, if you use them for chords, they'll like go out of key. And in Hive, they have really great ARPs that are tuned. So if you go to loops tuned, they'll always be in scale. So goated, you know what I mean? Let's just pick a random ARP and copy our chords, paste them in there. Okay, let's get some sort of lead texture on top of that. Now that we have our chords and this ARP and this little texture on top, I'm gonna start on the drums, and then I think after I'm gonna go back, add another lead, see what's missing, see what it needs. And I'm gonna be using my Music Plus kit, which is out now. If you guys want it, links gonna be down below. Has a bunch of sounds for swag, glow, loops, melodies, whatever you need is all in there. So if you guys are looking to upgrade your sounds, check it out. Also, if you guys just want to help support the channel, I really do appreciate you guys' support. Links are gonna be in the description. And let's get into it. Let's get a quick hi-hat and let's just two-step that and let's get a clap. Let's get an 808. I like this infinite one. And I'm gonna show you guys a nice little trick for making your 808s like hit super hard and give that underground sound. So first thing, go to your master and make sure you have a soft clipper on your master. And then go to your 808 here and we're gonna go to the envelope, put that attack all the way down, put the release all the way down, and then go over to this wrench thing, turn up the volume here. And then we're gonna mess around with this hold a little bit. And basically, the shorter the hold and decay, the faster the punch on the 808 is. So this is what it sounds like right now. And when we boost this more, gives it more punch. And when we turn up the hold, it's like a longer punch. See what I'm saying? I want something like that. So we're gonna keep it like that. Yeah, that's like too much. That's too much. Add our melodies to the mixer real quick. Take out some of the lows. Add this little lead right here. Should make it super repetitive, just kind of spam it like this. That's tough. I'm gonna go to Xenology and I'm gonna grab like a E piano, and basically we're gonna have two different sections where we have like the super hard synth for the chords, and then we're gonna have a section where it's like just like a piano for the chords. So I'm gonna copy our chords here, paste them into Xenology. And I'm gonna hit Alt U to slice them and make them into these like third notes here. gonna hit a freestyle on this. Let's rap this. Look at that waveform. Look at that, just straight a brick wall. You know what I mean? Perfect.
Shawty a bet, I got 100 running right back. Shawty a bet, I got a running right back. I got 100 running up pack. Shawty, I know I bet. Right at a pet, shawty a bet. I got 100 right at a pet. Shawty so fat, I got a toilet right at a pet. You wanna bet? I got 100 right at a set. Yeah, she wanna bet. I got 100 right at a set. I got 100 right at a pet. I had a pet. And then I hit. And I don't want 100. I don't want bet. Yeah. Got a bad bitch right at a lotto. I just hit a gelato. But a hollow. Yeah. And I hit a bars, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like. Go check out my Music Plus drum kit. It has a bunch of loops, drum loops, one shots, phrases, strobes. Perfect for everything, you know what I mean? So if you guys are looking for some new sounds, you guys want to upgrade your sounds and also help support the channel, go check out my drum kit. Links will be down below. Appreciate you boys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.